Today I would like to teach about 3D wireframe. So before we start to draw 3D wireframe, we need to make sure our view in 3D modeling. We can check this one. Okay, in 3D modeling already. Okay. And then we can change our view to 3D view. So we can see that this one is view. And then unsafe view, click unsafe view. So we have SW, SE, NE, and NW isometric. For example, I select SW isometric. So we can see here the view changed already to SW isometric. So if you want the origin is no origin, just type UCS icon. Enter. Just click no origins, so we can saw that the UCS located in this place. So let's say for example we draw rectangles, so just click home and then rectangles, specify first corner point, for example here, select the dimension D, enter, specify length of the rectangles, for example 350. Specify width of the rectangle, for example 300, enter. So we can see this one is our rectangle. So if we want to produce the 3D wireframe, we can copy this rectangle to another place by using the command copy. So for example, copy, enter, select object to copy this point, any other object, not enter, specify base point, so this point to this point. So we need to give the height, for example 200, enter, enter. So we can see that this is our box for the rectangles. Okay, so we can join these rectangles by using a command line. So line, enter, specify first point from this point to this point, enter, just copy the line, enter, select object, select this line, enter, from this point to copy to this point and this point, enter. So we have the complete box. For example, we need to build another box at the top of this box. So we can use a command offset. So type offset, enter, specify offset distance, for example 50, enter. Okay, select object to offset, this object, the location to offset here. So we can get another rectangles at the top of this box. If we need to make sure the rectangles can have another box, so we can use the extrude command. So just type extrude. So select object to extrude, select these rectangles, enter. So the rectangles can be extruded with the height that we need. For example 100, just put 100, enter. So we see that we have two boxes. The other is the bigger one, and then the other in the top is the smaller one. So if we want to draw the circles at this box, we need to make sure that UCS in the correct XY plane. So first we need to change the location of the X and Y axis. So type UCS, enter. So for example, we need to draw at this face. So this one is x-axis, and at the rectangle one is a y-axis. So use command circle, enter. Okay, click right, select snap override, select mid between point. So first point is 1, second point is 1. So you need to give the radius, for example 60. So we can have another circles at the surface of the box. So if we want to make sure another circle also appear in the bottom of the box, we can use a command copy. So copy, enter, select object to copy from this point, any other object, not enter, specify base point from this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, enter. So we can see that the circle already copied from front surface to and at the bottom of the box. So if want to check either the wireframe is right or not, we click command orbit and then can view this one in different view. So we can see that the box of the wireframe already in the right place. So that's all for 3D wireframe. Thank you for watching.